Whew, all right, man. Oh man, the beginning of this week was rough. I did recover some yesterday off of the video after I made it and left. I made back about 250 yesterday, so the loss wasn't as big yesterday as you all saw, but things kind of kept going the same way today. All right, watching ADIL again here. See if he gets up into the 140s this time. Shares are a little bit light at about 57K right now. If it pushes into the 140s here, I want to see it get through 140. Okay, there's through 140, watching it. It's hoping for a little bit more than that. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm going to jump in here. Got kind of a crappy fill there at 145. Thought I was getting that up towards 150.
46K here. Pass.
Looks like it might be getting ready to halt here. Yep, going into a halt at 157. Oh, maybe not. No fake halt there. Alright, so I'm going to add in now there. So now I have 1,000 at 155. See if it's going to halt this time or not. This time looking like we are going to halt here at 155. I'm sorry, at 165. Okay, there's the halt. So, we'll be waiting it out. Alright, we're getting close to the halt resume here in ADIL. Unfortunately, this thing has somehow run out of shares on IB while we've been in the halt. Not quite sure how that happens, but... So I won't really be able to trade this how I want, so I will be just trying to get out of this thing if I can. If it comes down here, there are no shares left currently. See if it drops at all. Otherwise, may be in trouble here. Yep, no shares there to be able to add in. So not looking good. Alright, just going to be putting a stop now in at the high here. Nothing I can do when run out of shares, so... Man, what a terrible, terrible couple days here of trading. Why did I not get stopped? Did I somehow mess up my stop? I don't know what I did with my stop there to mess that up. It may cost me more money now. Yep, gonna cost me more money. I don't know what happened with my stop there. That is super frustrating. Just stop me out already. There it is. Get through 125. I am an N. There it's through. Watching it. See if I can get in here at 125. Alright, I'm in here at 125 on IMNN. 1,000 shares. Not again, Jack. Ha 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 ha. Take half off right there. Well, actually, I took 400 off right there. Actually, might be getting into a down halt here. That could be nice. Maybe it starts really doing the dump at this point. All right, I'm going to take another half off right there, down to 300 shares left. Okay, got that fill at 103. So now I'm just going to put a stop in on the remaining 200 here at 109. Hopefully this can maybe roll over into another down halt. All right, I'm going to take another half off right here. Kind of struggling to get down through the dollar mark, so now I'm going to reset my stop on the rest at 106. All right, I'm just going to close out IMNN right here. It's not really doing anything, and it's time for me to be done for the day and leave for the gym. So, another tough day. Got to keep going, but there is some good news. And that good news is that I got my first couple trades in my live Trade the Pool account on today. You can see up here I made a total of $130 in that funded, evaluation to try and get a funded account with Trade the Pool. So yeah, I plan on making some videos about this once I get more acclimated and once I get into it a little bit. But if you guys are interested in getting a funded stock trading account, check out my link down below for Trade the Pool, save 5% off. So there you have it. Another red day in the books this week. That's 3 in a row, which is, I can't even tell you the last time or if ever I've had that kind of stretch using my strategy that I use. So, hopefully just an aberration and I'm not in my brain or doing something more than I would normally do. So we'll have to just kind of keep going and see. Still green on the month, but not much left of that. So hopefully I think there's 1 day left. Yep, 1 day left in the trading month tomorrow. Hopefully can't turn it completely green to red then. I'll see you.